Hi everyone, once again it's Ian, facebook.com/iHewitt, India, Hotel, Echo, Whiskey, India, Tango Tango, iHewitt, and the place to go is... Movement says the lights are... Yes, that's right, go there for prices and everything else. Okay boys and girls, we get a lot of free stuff by the way, free. So anyway, we're going now over to see some lights that have been put above some door places to light it when you go in. Now they've been there for 2 months now on one charge, but they'll probably take a while to come on. And what I've found with all these lights is they don't have the good top quality ones have an indicator. There's one we sell that's got a remote control and it's got an indicator and everything. But most of them don't have a power. When you know they're gone, they're bright, 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 and one day they don't work. They don't get dimmer and dimmer, they just work or they don't. But what does happen is they're not sensitive. In other words, you'll walk up to them and it takes a while to go off, you know it's going to need a charge soon. If they go off instantly, you know it's fully charged. So let's go and see. I want to convert the ones I've got here, which are rechargeable LEDs, to fully solar. And we'll get the solar lights. If this one's Velcroed, we'll take it with us, and it happens to be Velcroed. Wouldn't mind testing that, so let's go. And we're going to put some Velcro on and try and do these lights. I probably should use a chair, but follow me everyone. Firstly, there's one that went off there, and one above the door. So we don't have to use the one on the ceiling there, see? Is that the camera lady got that? And this one here isn't on. I put it out here and I don't think I turned it onto the right setting. Is that say on, off? Is that on auto?
Yeah.
On auto?
Auto.
Okay, on auto. That, oh, now it's working. Let's go everyone. Oh. Now to a tree. Come on, let's go. Exciting, eh? Okay, this is what I meant. You're going down here and, oh, but that took a while because it's been here for 2 months on one charge. I'm going up. This is your classic light, magnetized. It should have been always rough Velcro on the device, soft on the wall, rough on the device. We can turn that off now. It's been a very good light and it's done its job swimmingly for 2 months. But I want to mount some white peel-off stick-on Velcro that won't hold it unless it's modified by me. And we'll do it quickly if we can. Getting it started now. This is peel-off top quality model, radio control model, those peel-off stick-on super glue, should I say Velcro, that usually is strong enough to hold many applications, but not lights, especially not outdoors. This super glue is working, so we'll drop that one and on next to, or in fact I think I'll put it under the other one, so they can both go in the same place. So now we have some Velcro on there. Let's go to the other one, boys and girls. More Velcro. Let's see if this one works. There she goes. Chair. Great light. Been an excellent light. One of the best. We know which one you are. And more Velcro. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick up solar ones, and I think there's enough sun that comes in here that we may never have to charge them. In other words, they stay always fully charged. In the day, they're charging, because you only need light, you don't need direct sunlight, although the first charge should be 6 hours of full sun if you can do it. That first charge, like all rechargeables, require a full charge at the start. If you can swing it, solar's no different. Okay, we've now stuck our patented super duper easy to install light, and we're going to go over to our charging station now. Let's quickly go over to our super patented copyright.
Daddy, you forget light.
Yes, thank you, darling. We'll take this light. Why don't we turn it on and put it up?
One.
Yes, I understand. I'm going to peel this plastic off. They come with that protective plastic stuff that also says it's new. It says to get it off, and of course don't litter. And inside apparently you can change the battery, so this will last forever. And there is no pin like it says in the instructions. There's an on-off switch. That's on, that's off. We want it on now. And it's on because it's dark and we're moving. And straight away, will the Velcro hold it is the big question. And it looks like it will. So there's one. Let's go get another one. How about that? And they go off 15 seconds after movement. Now that's the new one. I quite like it, but let's see how long it lasts. Could be forever because solar. Let's go. We'll go get one of our charging stations. We're coming back here, don't worry. Yes, this is where it all began, everyone. The solar standards erector. And we built the solar standards erector, or shall we say the solar charging station, or sun charger, I prefer. The sun charger. The sun charger is somewhere around here. Pity it doesn't have a light that works or something. I'm sure we put it out here somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I should have known. We should have turned that off. This one has the remote, girls and boys. We should have a remote here and turn it off while it's charging. We obviously left it on. We've turned the rest off so that they're charging. But now we're going to use them. So we're going to grab one. We've already put one on there. Let's grab this one. Or what else have we got? Actually, I quite like to test these. Similar style. So, in this case, they have 4 modes. You have off, on, but I know it's second from the right is the one we want. Boy, that took me a while to forget the instructions. Let's go back and see if it works, girls and boys. The Velcro may be a little far apart. We'll take one of these as well. Let's go, John. I think I can turn this on. Yes, I can. Have them on. Like that. There you go. Free light from the sun. Oh, we moved again. And we should prepare them. Yes, we'll have the little angle on and the usual and see how they perform together. So which one will suck the most solar? The sun charged beast. So I can even reach that. Look at that. Okay. Now that should be a solar light forever. But we will test like we test everything, girls and boys. And look how bright it is. It's brighter than, let's say, its cousin. Its gas-guzzling, planet-destroying cousin that needs charging compared to its solar friend. Quite different. And these come, by the way, in bright white, which are the only ones I ever buy. But I bought a few that come in yellow. And I don't know why you'd ever want less light. I think they were invented. So there we have our 2 solar lights now. These last for 2 months at least on one charge, and these hopefully last forever on one charge. I'm not sure this one ever got a full charge. And there she goes off. It's 15 or 20 seconds, 15 in this case, 20 in this case. But that will go off if we don't move. There you go. So, thanks for listening. That was a wonderful little trip, and we'll show you how they go in the future. Say goodbye, darling. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, darling. She's shy. Let's go. Bye.